My family lived, excuse me, my family lived in Wexford Town, stopped travelling and settled down. Oh, my father kept a horse and cart, oh, we lived within the town. The people there misunderstood, or they did not know our ways. So with a horse and cart back on the road, I began my travelling days. My father was called a fiddler, Don, and I'm a fiddler too. And although I often felt this fist, and he taught me all he knew, I know I'll never be as good, but yet I feel no shame for the other things that my father taught. I am proud to bear his name. He taught me pride and how to live, though the road is hard and long, and how a man will never starve when an old banjo, fiddle or song, and how to fight for what I own and what I feel is right, and how to camp beside the ditch on a stormy winter's night. Oh, times were good and times were bad, and the people, they were cruel and kind. But what I learned of people then has stayed within my mind. I'll honor them with all my heart and do for them all I can. But I've learned to go the road again where it's gone to think of man. Oh, Wexford is a town I like, but the travelling man is gone. And a man must feel affection for the town where he was born. I know someday that I'll go back when my travelling